Hey, it's business coach Steve here, and I have a question. Are you struggling to keep your top talent from walking out the door? Imagine if you can create an environment where your employees are excited to come to work, they feel valued, they see a clear path for growth ahead in your organization. So today, I am going to share with you the top 5 reasons for poor employee retention and how you can fix them to build a more loyal and motivated team. But first, let's talk about some of the issues here. Losing employees frequently can be really incredibly costly, both in terms of hiring new staff and really the loss of institutional knowledge within your organization. When employees see their colleagues leaving, it can create a negative atmosphere and really an overall low morale. So constantly training new hires really disrupts your productivity and it slows down your business operation. But here's the good news. While these challenges can be daunting, there are really some effective solutions that can turn things around and make your business a place where employees love to come to work. See, keeping employees means you're saving on hiring and training costs. Yet a stable team creates a more positive work environment, really boosting morale and really employee engagement as well. With less turnover, your team becomes more efficient, it becomes more productive, driving really better results in your business. For example, I had a client that really was facing some very high turnover. Employees were leaving because they felt undervalued and saw no room for growth within their organization. So we started to implement a few key strategies within, really, I guess, but within about 6 months or so, their retention rates began to improve dramatically, and the overall workplace atmosphere became so much more positive. So now let's dive into some of the strategies that we use. So to keep your team engaged, provide regular training sessions and development programs to enhance their skills, create a clear career path so your employees know how they can grow within your company. Give them something to look forward to. Pair them with mentors who can guide their career development and offer some variable insights within how to grow within your organization. Next, we also encourage some flexible work hours and remote work options to help employees balance their personal and professional lives. Now, don't do this for everybody, but the ones that are really the most productive, give them the confidence that you trust them and help them to become even more productive. So promote effective time management and practices and discourage really unnecessary overtime. And we all know how costly that can be. Next, next, we began to conduct regular salary reviews to ensure that the employees are paid competitively. We looked at offering a comprehensive benefits package that includes health insurance, retirement plans, and some other perks as well. Now, this didn't happen overnight, but we started looking into it and really looking at some very low cost benefits at first as the team improved. Profitability improved and we were able to invest more into the team. And the next was simple. We implemented regularly scheduled recognition programs to regularly acknowledge and celebrate employees' achievement. Let them know that you recognize the good work that they're doing. Provide constructive feedback and recognize them and give them recognition frequently and not just during the annual reviews. You have to do it on a consistent basis. And this really helps to foster a culture of appreciation, respect in the workplace to make employees feel valuable. Next, they invested their managers in our 12-week management masterclass to help their managers develop their leadership and their people management skills to produce more competent and productive teams. So to wrap up, addressing these common issues really can significantly improve employee retention, leading to even more satisfaction, productivity, and then most importantly, a loyal workforce. And these are easy. Some of them are easy fixes, and some of them will take a little bit more time to be able to implement. So now, Think about this. If this has resonated with you and you want to see how to implement these solutions in your business, go ahead and schedule a call with me. Click on the link below, book a call, and let's start building a stronger and more committed team together. You will be surprised at the difference it will make in your life. Have a great day.